Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a small little unboxing here. I ordered some watercolors from Jackson's Art, and I will be doing the swatches in this particular video because I didn't order that much, so I'm going to do everything all at once here. And I ordered a few new colors from the Caran d'Ache, the watercolor crayons, and I also ordered some new white nights because I was looking to, I do have a big collection, but I was looking a little bit more for some floral colors. And the first one there, that is the Malachite Green. And we have Carmine, Ruby Red, Grass Green, and Apricot. And for the white nights, I have Green Earth, Quinacridone Red, the Perline Violet, and Quinacridone Violet Rose. And here I just wanted to show, I put the rest of the colors in with my set, and I wanted to show, you can see the 3 of them on the bottom there in comparison to some of the other colors that I have. And then I'm just showing here, I had to separate all my pastels and put them in a separate little palette because I didn't have room for everything. But I am very happy with the colors that I chose. They do look really well, and I will show them more in some upcoming floral tutorials. Be sure to like the video and subscribe and stay tuned for more hauls.